welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. My name is Amelia. I will be your host today, and this here is Sean.
What's up?
You look like my security guard right now.
That was kind of the goal with the black guy.
The number one question that I know people have on their mind is, did I buy a supercar? I was on my way to go buy a Porsche 997 GT3 last week, but on the way there, the deal fell through. So I'm just thinking, you know, that's the universe telling me that I don't need a Porsche. What I need is to stay in the JDM family. So I need a GTR. So I am on my way right now to go make an offer on an R34 GTR Skyline. What people don't know is that this S13 has the same supercar engine, RB26, as the GTR Godzilla.
Two-stepping, split filling, twin turbos.
This is twin turbo. This thing is insane. So many horses under this hood.
2.5 Japanese horses in here. You just put a Kaz 2A in it too.
I did. This is ready for some gnarly sick 11s, as Damon would say.
Dave's not allowed near the car at all.
Dave's not here, man. Gated.
Gated. Yeah, right.
It's also a Spider.
Yeah, it's a custom GTR Spider. Uh-oh.
Sounds good.
Ultimate enemy.
We just got to the meetup spot. It is 90 degrees, yet feels like it is 130, and we are in the middle of the desert. 5 minutes with Dave. I need a couple of these. No, put it down.
What?
For those of you who have never seen a CVS receipt, boom! This is what I bought, some waters and Red Bull. Here's my receipt. Alex and his Tesla look so funny. Sick Bugatti, dude.
Why is that receipt so long?
It's stuck. I got you Sour Bright llamas. Keep your llamas nice and safe. This is his shop, Original Auto, and you are the R34 guy, right? You're more than that, but that's how I know you.
I think they know the car more than me. So.
I was so focused on the car, I didn't see your panda.
Yeah, you can touch it. No, I think
Wait, careful. Oh! Holy turbo, that thing is huge! Are you ready to buy it if you broke it?
I'll break it if you'll sell it to me.
How much power is this putting down?
around 650.
650
Yeah.
to the wheels?
To the rear wheels.
This is like our GTR squad.
I know, it's great.
Look at us. We got another homie that just rolled up too. This is a triple disc clutch.
Yes.
Push that in. Oh. Do it.
Sounds like your motor's about to blow up.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god. Oh god, I love this so much. I can spring the chair up too. We got the R32 behind us rolling out in this R34. We got two GTR R32s, we got a GTR R34. I keep I don't know why I keep saying what type it is because I can't get over that this is real life right now.
Just rolling with a bunch of GTRs in California.
Yeah. To confirm with you, this is 650 horsepower on the stock engine.
The stock engine, the stock head gasket, the stock head bolts.
Stock everything. So the internals of the engine are stock. You have a bigger turbo, bigger injectors, and a tune on this.
Right.
Obviously a little bit of fabrication work. This is Godzilla. So we're experiencing a little bit of a boost leap. We're gonna take a look buzzing it out while you're doing it. Send it! Put his hand up. He broke his axle? Yeah. Just like that, axle went.
It hooked.
It did hook. You're kidding. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear that. Two-step it, let's hear it.
Another Skyline down.
So right as we went out to go do the burnout, you guys saw that he snapped an axle. Bummer, man.
He likes to break the cars.
So Alex just left. He's going to go pick up his McLaren 720S. He's got a photo shoot with it. He's being a little extra. You don't know why that axle went?
Because it's sticky as hot as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels like 100 degrees right now. Those are sticky, icky tires. The ground is so hot, it just gripped and went.
I bet you the ground is probably like 150, 160 right now.
You should cook an egg on it. So I know your GTR is not for sale, but you did have a price that you would sell it for. I do want to buy this car. I'm gonna put you on the spot here. I'm gonna offer you for it.
Well, when you have a little dog or something and you create that feeling with it, it's the same thing that I got with this thing.
I could understand that.
That's the only reason why.
Okay.
Otherwise, there's cheaper cars out there.
Well, I was kind of hoping for the famous unicorn.
And it's broken now. You
It
can't
is
buy with a
broken,
broken
that's true.
axle. Yeah,
So that's why I want the 30K discount on it.
Right.
I'm thinking GTR though, you guys. No matter what, I think at the end of the day, I think it has to be a GTR. Keep it in the JDM family. Well, I'll leave the offer on the table. In the meantime, I'll start looking at other GTRs.
This is what happens when you decide that you want to break your GTR.
This guy breaks.
No, like I told you.
So what you're saying is I shouldn't buy a car from you anyway?
I'm saying that I break stuff too. I like to break cars. When she mentioned that she wanted to buy it, the car decided to break it. So he's like, no, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving this.
Yeah, right.
If you ain't breaking stuff, you're not making enough power.
This is true.
Follow me.
Come on. A little sneaky peek.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, exclusive.
N1 block ready.
Are you serious?
Yep.
It's an N1 block. You're kidding me. I don't think you guys understand how rare and hard to find this is.
Manual turbo top 5-beam rods and everything waiting, so this is all for the 34.
You're doing 1,000 horsepower.
Oh yes, of course. So that was.
I can't believe we broke an R34 GTR.
I mean, I can. I kind of expected it.
I'm not supposed to be the one who breaks things. I think
It
I
was in Canada.
break cars.
I think you do too. You're definitely a car breaker.
So I hate to say it, because it's such a hot day, we're gonna put water down so we don't break this car. No, I mean, it might break anyways because I'm driving.
Dead, ripping. That was good.
That was pretty good.
Thing
This
ripped.
little piece of
Look at the smoke pouring like out of the convertible top.
Hey, roasted tires better than that thing, man.
Roast tires, brake.
That roast axles, this roast tires.
Look, they're pushing it.
Look at that.
Stayed in a burnout next to an R34, like a psycho.
I'm a little crazy. Leaving 11.
It sounded pissed off.
I liked it.
Yeah, right?
That puddle's from the diff.
Yeah.
So the diff went.
Yeah.
Oh,
What, it's the diff?
the diff went.
The diff went? I mean, I'm not surprised on an all-wheel drive car you go rear-wheel drive. It's not necessarily designed for that.
You see the blood? See the blood right there?
Unicorn blood.
Blood right there.
That's unicorn blood. Aww. Until next time. Well, thanks for having us. Sorry about the GTR.
You're good. I'm used to this.
Breaking things.
GTR up there.
Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't notice that.
Cool.
Nice to meet you guys.
Later. See you guys. Have fun with that. Whoa, look at this.
How
Wow.
the hell did you see me? Oh, it's not Camel, that's right.
Car looks straight out of Power Rangers.
You know, it's funny, you still watch Power Rangers, so I'll take that.
All right, happening to Alex Troy's Tesla?
Send it!
I'm gonna see if I can hold the camera with one hand. With one hand.
No!
So Dave, did you dress up for me tonight?
This shirt says I can take things seriously, but I also like to party. Ladies.
So you were supposed to be the humble one, but I got you a gift.
What is it? What is this?
It's a poster of myself.
Oh yeah! What? Why do you have? You didn't make this for me. You have these in stock.
No, I just made the one for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, come here. Thank you. That was nice of you. I'll make you one too. Guys, next DD fan meet, 8x10 glossy headshots, like 80s style. Guys, do you want to buy this off me? I'll take bids in the comment section right now.
Troy, let's go! Let's go to the gas station, Troy! Gas!
That's not him in front of you. That's a different Tesla.
Are you kidding?
He left already.
No.
Yes. I was wondering what you were doing behind this guy.
I thought those, they all look the same.
Now, for me to earn my respect for you again, what you need to do now though is match your shoes to the new wrap. What are you doing?
True story, the gentleman who gave me these shoes, he hit me up, he goes, there's Nikes that match.
Really?
This car has this fun feature where these hippie things in California, you have to hold it with one hand and squeeze the other, it won't stay. You would think my hand would be stronger, especially my right hand, but it's not. I have to sit here and hold it, and I'm straining the entire time.
The joke is you're really left-handed. So we were headed over to Troy's place right now to swap out for the McLaren, but look at this Aventador.
Yeah!
What's up, bro?
We have made it to the Alex Troy man cave.
Hey, let me ask you a question, Amelia. Okay. I respect your opinion. Whose rap do you like better? Alex Troy's beautiful...
The gender reveal McLaren.
The gender reveal McLaren. Or the Power Ranger. Yeah, you pick one of us. Who is it?
Who's it gonna be, Amelia?
Your Corvette you bought. Yeah. And they said to you, you have two wrap options. That one or this one. Which would you take for your Corvette?
Hands down, I picked that one. Now Dave won't talk to me anymore. He's mad.
His mom likes it. His mom wants to buy it.
Really?
Legit asked how much we want for it.
You gonna sell it?
We told her a price and I don't know if she wants it or not. I mean, this thing's amazing, but freeway, not so much. It wanders. Try getting in now with the 2-inch Predator lift and the 40-inch XCOM tires.
Yeah, feels like a Hummer.
Yeah. Does it suit Amelia?
Ow!
Do you know what size engine this has?
A large one?
6.5 liter diesel. American muscle! I can picture Alex Troy being by himself doing the exact same things. Yeah, jump to get out, right?
No, I stepped out of that.
But look at you compared to the tire size. That tire literally is like up to your hip.
Yeah.
It's gonna end poorly.
I know.
Okay, that concludes this portion of the vlog, you guys.
Hey viewers watching at home, do us a favor and don't try this at home.
Yeah, you guys, asterisks, just professionals. I went to school to use that blowtorch.
Yeah.
That's a weird school.
Oh yeah.
Really
what
weird.
What was that school called?
My dad's basement.
Do not hit any of the cars, okay?
Jesus! Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of Daily Tuning Talk.
Shop the merch, shop.dd.com. Running out of supplies, make sure you cop that soon. There will be some more stockage available. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one.